So welcome back, everybody. Like, appreciate everybody that watched and liked and subscribed on the last video. Today, I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy as shit, man. Got my oil catch can today. About to go install it. So, stay tuned. So a lot of people don't know what the oil catch can is for. Pretty much, since this is a V8, a direct inject engine, something like that. I hope I said it right. Since it's one of those type of vehicles, when you hit the gas hard, burnouts and anything like that, oil shoots back into your engine. So when the oil shoots back into your engine, throughout time, that can make it sluggish. You know, like all the oil can get inside your engine, and that way it will become sluggish. And down the line, you will lose horsepower, torque. You'll feel some type of hesitation down the line. It's just an investment to protect your investment. Hold on, I said that wrong. You buy that to protect your investment. There we go. So pretty much that's why I got the oil catch can. That way when I hit the gas hard, boom, boom, dipping on motherfuckers, you know, got that bitch in track mode, open the pipes up and everything. I know that all the extra oil is going to shoot into that can. And when I do an oil change, I'll show y'all how much oil it accumulates. But right now, I'm about to ride down here to my man house. You feel me? Go down there, get all them tools and stuff to get it put together. So, stay tuned.
Yep.
Alright. So, we about to unbox this motherfucker right now. See what it is. I got it from American Muscle. So, let's see. That's all of it in here.
A box within a box.
A box inside a box. Right? Let's see if I put this down.
Wait. Camera guy.
Camera guy.
Camera guy's always here for you.
Yeah.
He's here for you.
Okay. So this is the oil catch can right here, pretty much.
Oh.
It catches all the oil in the bottom of this.
You going
screw it off like this. And all this will be filled with oil. Then after every oil change, you'll empty it out, screw it back on, and then you'll see how much oil that would have been inside your engine. But now we're about to install it. I'm about to show you. Stay tuned. So to pull up the instructions, because this didn't come with any instructions, it's pretty much you have to scan this barcode and then it'll pull it up. So on my other phone, that's how I'm looking at it. Looking at the directions, and now I'm right here, ready to install the bracket. So the bracket's gonna go right here. They said a 15 millimeter. It is not a 15 millimeter. Let's see which one it is.
Ooh, not 14.
Not 14. So let's see. So it's going to be a 13 and just a Phillips screwdriver.
Or a half-inch socket.
Or a half-inch socket. So just so y'all know, they say 15 on the instructions, but that is too big.
Alright,
so we're going to
clips supposedly just come off really easily, but that's usually
take the clips off.
Giant lie. Okay, hey, look at that. It actually did come off kind of easy.
Okay, you want to take this side off.
It's supposed to just...
It snapped right off. There we go.
Alright.
And if you want, you can always wipe all that stuff off, but
I mean, you could screw this thing off. But you don't really have to.
No, you ain't got to screw that.
Knowing now that these are the two valves that you're going to want to take off for your oil catch ring. These right here.
That one and what other one at?
It's going to be the one at the top and then one at the bottom right here.
Okay, so we taking that whole tube.
Yep, this whole tube's going to come off.
All right. So we're going to unclamp this one down here and unclamp this one up top. And the clamps look like this. So all you're going to do is push it in like that and pull it out. But we're going to do that to these ones down here. So let me try to put my hand on it. See if I can get it. Engine is hot. Ouch. Be careful. And the way they got it in here, I could not pull this thing out. So stay tuned so I can pull it out. Okay, we finally got it off. Came off from that part, and that part, if you look, you can see some oil already in it. I don't know if you can see. I don't have that much because it is a brand new car, but this is still oil. Eventually gets to your engine. So now we're about to install a catch can. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think, man. You feel me? We over here doing this. If you think anything was helpful, knowledgeable, anything, hit the like button. You ain't gotta subscribe. Just hit the like button now. Feel me? Stay tuned. I didn't show y'all this, but this also came in a package with the oil catch can, and this right here is going to go on top of the catch can, and this is also going to get screwed into that. So stay tuned.
I'm gonna stop biting my nails now if you're gonna start doing this.
That's my mechanic.
Oh, shit. Gonna start looking pretty for the camera all of a sudden, yeah.
Oh shit. Dumb way.
We need to bolt that fucking wrong. There we go.
Nope, not yet. Pretty much you just get the bracket and mount it back up there.
We'll leave it a little loose so we can kind of move it, just to kind of put it where you want it.
Yeah.
And to just kind of, so we see, depending on how the length will match up to these, it just gives us a little bit more play.
Got you. Like that, because we gotta tighten it in anyway. Screw the top piece in.
Yeah, cool.
So that right there will be your bracket once you tighten it back in. But try to keep it a little loose so you can make sure, you know, everything adjusts perfectly. The catch can ain't, you know, just make sure you just don't tighten it too much, because you may have to unloosen it to adjust it. And then you'll use the little 2 screws that come out of it. Pretty much screw it on top of the catch can.
Use your Phillips head screwdriver.
Use your Phillips head. Screw it on in. There you go. And now that's
Don't
good.
over tighten.
Don't over tighten. You hear the mechanic. And then you also gonna go ahead and hook these up. But first, let's go back to the directions. So in the instructions, they said the O side and C side. I'm on here looking on the, it ain't none of that. So pretty much the O side is pretty much this. This is the O side. This is the C side. The O side is going to go to the lower valve, which will be right. Let me focus. Should it go on the inside or the outside? Probably the outside, probably. Because we got to put that cover back on.
Oh, yeah.
Just push it down and you hear it snap. Same thing with the top one. And it snaps. Try to pull it out, make sure it don't come out. Got it in right. And pretty much, that's how you install an oil catch can. So I want to thank all y'all for watching the video. I really appreciate everybody, especially the ones that subscribe and hit that like button. You feel me? So that's how you install a catch can for the Camaro 2022 6th gen. So that should help with catching a lot of the excess oil that normally shoot into the engine. It should help us with that. So I'll show y'all soon when I go get an oil change and how much oil got into it. Even though I gotta go to Chevy and get the oil changed, but I'll let y'all know.
Also,
Damn.
Yeah, so say fucking neon.
Yo, what you
bottom,
custom
and
built
neon
that?
grill.
I've done. Let's see. Swapped out the stock for a 30 Weber 3236 Canon air filter. New air hose. Deleted all the emissions and EGR. Pace setter headers to a 2-inch exhaust. Flowmaster, and then Edelbrock ignition coils. New ones. The old Optimum
You
battery.
see this, you're gonna have to delete that.
Yo,
That-
make me
you
sick.
don't need that. What else? Let's see.
This gotta go.
That gotta go.
Gotta go.
The solenoids, they gotta go.
Solenoids on the
The radiator.
Master
I don't do
solenoid
much.
gotta
Yes,
go.
I delete
that.
Fuck that.
Oh shit.
Yes.
That bitch nice. This bitch cold.
Like there, that sets it off. You gotta keep the light bar.
Yeah. No, yes.
You should use yellow.
Nice ass seats.
See, no, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is if I get the daylighters up there, those will be white. And then
Are you gonna do a flat one, a flat bar up there too?
the old school round ones?
The round one. Ooh.
And be like, yeah, let me. Yeah, exactly. It's like.
Ain't nothing wrong to all my V6 fans out there, man. Y'all cool. You feel me? Like I was over here telling them. You feel me? Listen, I was over here. Hold on, what you say?
First
Get
of
the
all,
fuck
if
outta
you're
here.
driving the V6, your mama paid for it. Second of all, you don't fucking get a muscle car and settle for a V6.
Yeah, nobody liked the V6 Mustang.
Oh,
Just
man.
saying.
Well, I got V8, but shout out to my V6. Anyone that owns a Camaro, sports car, your dream car, I support it all, man. You feel me? It's all different budget range. So, y'all. I said I got 2 LS friends. But hell yeah, we out here today just enjoying ourselves.